Yes. So, well, I don't know, say One Nation and Imara Nation. My name is Negusimara. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Make sure someone like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so we can grow the family. You understand what I say? Yeah, man. So, we're there once again. Let me just say this real quick before we even go in a truck confronting Arjay. You know, some feel like when narrate me. Someone wanna scream One Nation, and when I post video of substance, me not see no One Nation. Barely see nobody. When I post things when I concern Arjay, Tavizoe and Blood Clot, Chuckstar and all of them madness there. This channel is not built around that. You understand me? I deal with someone want to feel like say, I be a Chuckstar and Tavizoe and them something. No. Me make them think there for Uno. You understand me? I say? You think more on Blood Clot watching them people, yeah? When you really think someone watching them people, yeah? No, I don't give a fuck about them. But when I drop the video, them have real substance. I don't see one under them video there. At them video, and look a fuck around and like. You understand what I say? So make sure when I drop the real video them and watch real video them too. You understand what I say? The antics and them things that go on in I video them too. Zin? So we're there now. We see Chuckstar confront my boy, the Arjay LOL. You see me? The dog has say one bag of things, you know? Sound like him afraid. I don't know why I'm afraid because Arjay, I don't think Arjay would have do him nothing. But anyway, we're going to that video real quick. I skip the first part of the video. I skip like the first 2 minutes of it, and right now I'm there at the door and I'm going to approach Arjay now. So come and watch.
I don't know it.
Okay, no, bro,
But we need to talk now.
Need to talk now? Nah, brother, you're going with your blood clot business. Yeah.
But we can't do that stuff, we can't do another house that I'm comfortable.
We can't do another house that I'm comfortable, bro.
Exactly.
Listen, I'm not let my head box so.
You're not left your head back, so.
My
brother, you sound like him a bad man. Brother, you're not bust no gun, brother. Easy yourself, Talent.
Brother, we don't good, so we can't let my head box so. So, I just want to watch it.
Chuck, brother, I'm not the fuck you, dog. You know this is outside, me, I'm alone, inside, dog. So, all the fuck me, so all enough to feel comfortable, brother.
Yeah.
It's like, would I like me and my enemy there in the same place and that just.
Me and enemy bad man.
We are these, so we are, if we're not friends, we are four.
Nobody fuck you, dog. You're talking about enemy, brother. Oh, enemy jacking at that, brother.
Exactly.
Nah, that's easy. There's no one in the talking right over, bro.
No matter where you want, you know, we don't make a chat.
What you mean, no matter where the man want, you know?
Feel comfortable in the house there with a man with me and them nah deal.
That's all like a you problem, bumble. Walk on left me, yeah?
You want preach so bad, man. But you are talking about they in a house with enemy. No, G. You pre.
Man, it long no blood clot.
No man, see, brother. A child's play that, right?
Facts.
What do you mean child's play that, man?
That's a child's play, bro. That's a child's play. Because you say you feel comfortable then and say also the next man. But I don't even see a bad man. You know, so watch out now. In a year room.
Arjay, let's see about T boy.
Question I have asked.
What?
What all this for?
What all this for?
Yeah.
You pause that real quick. Why the fuck long-head blood clot Chuck and blood clot, what's your name? Tavizoe. What kind of question on I ask man? What all of this for? I don't know no pull stunt. I say, I wish me was RJ. Not the girl clown thing though. Not the girl clown thing. But just for thump that you 10 and blood clot out. What the fuck you say man a blood clot listen tune and a meds and all the vibes. Hey, come talk about me don't make a chat in the more and talk to you now. Bumba me talk to you when me want talk to you. Long-head blood clot boy Chuckstar. Blood clot the youth. Go continue.
Hello.
If you know where I talk to that, just.
Hold on, man. Chat. Hold on. Hello. What you say? Oh, my advice don't leak. Oh, I still talk to you. After that, I do a video, right? I do something, right? I still chat to you.
You want to talk to the man, I have video, you talking to the man. I don't go on with the blood clot video here, sir. You come call me, yo. You know, you're not supposed to yo me. Say, yo, Negus, can I talk to you for a minute, bro? I'll see if you talk to me, bumble.
In a house.
I'm going somewhere else and sleep then since I saw the in the face.
That's a selfish. Me more if you go somewhere else. Me just say, Ray, Me just don't comfortable, so me just a confront if you make you know, yo.
Confront.
Like, we all this for.
Man, for thumping in your mouth.
Your problem if you not feel comfortable.
Yeah.
Why you take it upon here? It's you have to do that, brother.
I thought, boy, he no want to let him head back careless. Yeah, gunman, bumper wall. Tap a nice man from a tat you.
Small mind space, brother. No, dog. Are you have to fuck up now, dog?
I'm not free.
It's not like I'm not making no even or nothing like that. The man don't talk to you already. The man don't say we just leg off of this.
Yeah.
Yes, so the man said if we don't leg off of this, so I come to you and say, yo, bro, I will squash this.
Leg off of, we not do no money. We not answer back no man. We not chat back to no. We not say to no man, brother. We
Yeah.
just know say.
What you mean, bro? You legit a edit a diss track. You legit a edit a diss track for me right now.
Brother, I'm not editing on this track for you, bro, guys.
Bro, so me hear the song, brother.
Come on this space on my bottom, but me I edit this track for you.
So what you do right now?
We are worried about. Man,
I'm sure on a YouTube video.
Man, I text your mother.
Me I edit one video that. Yo, give me a second.
Yo, one thing you do now? Pause this real quick. One thing you do now, you know? On phone video no ram for cut off and start back, you know. I feel like when every time the video cut, somebody laugh and then cut out the laughing part and then start over for which part them end. You guys are horrible actors. You need to come to Negus class. Negus acting 101. You understand what I'm saying? Because you have to, you with the blood clot the body boy. Hey boy, Chuck Star. I will send you in the ground, you tight. You know who are ramping youth. I will kill you, youth. I will put you in the ground and light a candle in the hurt, you tight. Don't play with me, youth. Long-head bumble. Come talk about you. Do you want to talk to me? Hey boy, man, my box in your face, you. You understand me? I said Chuck Star. All right, go start by the video, youth.
The back and forth argument.
Yeah, it's played out right now.
We talk to you on social media. We talk to you in front of Rasmus. We even talk to you in front of road manager.
Yeah.
If you talk to you, but you are I'm not in the fuckery. So if you don't have feelings, then we are, if me don't have my feelings, we don't have feelings in that. I'm not too, we don't want to draw this out no further, bro.
Yeah.
Just say, all right.
So let me try to say, me do.
Give me that, but
Alright,
I'm not do our next video or our next song or Arjay said, bro, that I'm not lyrics for yes.
Yeah.
So you try to say the song where you edit now is not a diss track.
Brother, I'm not meds your bad man like it. Yo, it's like you're not here, bro. I'm not meds your brother in the chat, dog. Just slow it out, dog.
Yeah.
I do no more social media, but in a real life, brother, just breeze me that. Big man people in our head space to that. Because you say when I open my mouth and I say you don't feel comfortable making the house asleep. Because I feel like
So that's why I confront you now.
Yeah, because you're not confront nobody.
Zine, you alone are preach, so you don't say, oh, I do I'm alone in the house, but just do the thing, bro, God. So you come to a thing as if me there in the house and me a problem.
No.
You don't know, brother.
No,
Yeah.
You don't say, oh, I do I'm going to edit my video, bro, God.
You're not understand, dog.
So never understand.
Yeah, let me talk, dog.
Or you feel like there's an enemy in the blood clouds or do you somewhere.
Because we not deal. If we not deal, I have to watch out for you, dog. That me a summer road, me no roll loose.
No, brother.
Yeah.
A summer roll, dog. I'm paranoid bad man, so if me ain't no good,
Watch.
I go confront you. So when me I come to you now, me I say, yo.
Sure, just make it straight.
Yeah, what we want to know, Chuck, bro, stop using words about confront and all this. Brother, move and go with the long head, my youth, and come out and say about, yeah, confront the man. You ain't confronting shit, nigga. Man box here, bro.
Brother. I say next word to you, Arthur, Prince, none of them man them, brother, because the whole of man look like some of a pussy and the internet, like, we don't look like some they can't talk bad, man.
Yeah.
I try to talk to you, then I hear can, I try to talk to Arthur move like, say, I chat to him. So just slow it down, you know, some people want to come by school anymore, brother.
Yeah.
You know, I say, like, if you bring back the negative fuck with that, just stress it out, go there. We have a booking, just make we do it, get our money and cut go separate ways that I'm not to see each other face, bro, God.
Yeah.
What kind of fuck you complaining to me now, man?
A positive, me a priest.
You're not praying a positive bomber. Let's say you confront the man.
That you can't meet.
I talk about head back no feel safe. You're a gunman.
I don't feel safe. I don't like I can't do me now, but me I say. For me, yeah.
Me job here before now, sir.
Bro, no, I'm glad. No, I'm actually glad for YouTube there to prove it.
Me drop a video, I explain to you, watching now. Man, I'm doing a YouTube prank thing no more. Because the way I'm operating the prank, I blame myself for that. So, yo, it's a man.
So my video after that, wait, say.
So you go drop your video now, I talk about me Me and act childish and me and act like banana sense and just a video and irritate. What the fuck you make them?
Bro, are you first make a video till like me said me call a girl to one of them thing there.
No, make a video I say me easier for the YouTube pram them brother. You I don't want to take it to our next level.
Yeah.
No bro, you can't go watch about my video. Go and watch it.
And then you gonna make Arthur.
Me make Arthur I'm one bad man. Arthur I'm one man, brother.
No, brother,
Arthur I'm one bad man, dog. No, bro, Arthur I'm one man. Me can't tell Arthur what to do, brother. Me can't tell Arthur what to do.
You only get up and start the video about me. Some say, alright, then it's like every man out for me, so I'm alone with dog.
Yeah.
Dog, you hear me saying?
Cause some breeder video, I say Arthur don't never call for bad man, some simple.
You realize that you first drop a song for me?
Eh?
You first drop a song for me.
Cause basically you put it out there, so look like some soft sauce, not for clear the ear, but
So you drop a song, so you admit that you start, you first drop a song.
So me clear in the ear. And
Fuck Banyo wasn't for you, you know.
Eh?
Fuck Banyo never for you. Me did say Arjay na fuck Banyo.
No, but me said Chuck in my lane.
But you say Arthur loud mouth, everybody know Arthur's the loud mouth. You say you call Chuck. You call Chuck in your song, brother. You call Chuck.
Yo, me never call Arthur.
You can hear Chuck attack, a laugh while him attack.
And you say loud mouth.
I say Chuck Star, so fix up your blood.
You say Chuck Star, but it a word play over here, brother.
Star, bad man. Me never say Chuck Star, brother.
Dog, you know what, load this, cause fuck this, brother, fuck this. Fuck this, and fuck you.
Brother, you know move like you.
Alright, anyway. The episode I did lame, you understand? The episode I did lame. Chuckstar, aka Longhead. Chuckstar look like the blood clot all-time commercial, the 7-Up, the 7-Up, 7-Up? Yeah, 7-Up commercial. You see me? Blood clot Chuckstar look like the brother we coming a dog. You remember dog? The green brother wearing a dog? Yeah, that's how Chuckstar look. Let me see if I can find it real quick and see it. You see me? Because the man I go talk about him a confront the man. Brother, top a nice brother boy. Yeah, confront and head back no feel safe. Don't use those terms, bro. Just say, oh, you kind of feel a little bit uneasy knowing that somebody who you're not on good terms with is in the same house like you. All right? Don't do that, my bro. Head back no feel safe. I dead to blood clot. Brother. Let's go easy, bad bro. See it? See who blood clot Chuck look like, yeah? Chuck look like that brother, yeah? Chuck look like blood clot my boy, the best friend. You know, can I see it? Let me see if I can see it. Can't see it. Oh my. You know what I gotta do? Now put it on the blood clot screen. I'll show you who Chuck look like. Chuck your head long no blood clot, brother. You understand what I say? Stop use them terms about confront and head back no feel safe and re. But bro, the one I want to sign to the same label, on a record at the same studio, on do everything together as a team. You're not a bad man, my bro. Man Arjay box up on your top lip, them, my G. I'm to you. Yeah, I don't want to think, you know, because to me personally, the episode of Liam, you understand what I say? You need to get the full, I'm just like, you want to look one, You understand what I say? So let me know what you think in the comment section. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so we can grow the family. You understand what I did? Up move. Check the pedigree. I want to know. I'm out.